had to see what all the hype was about. When Freekiss reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try this necklace, and I looked it up, why does it have like 7,000 something 5-star reviews? It's an Amazon's Choice necklace. So I was like, yeah, let me look at this Freekiss Herringbone women's necklace. This is so cute. All right, so it comes with 3 pieces, and at first I thought it was connected, but I'm actually thrilled because it's not. They're all individual, so you can wear them by themselves or together. I have no idea what these styles are called, but I'll show them to you by height. They are made of brass, but it is a 14 karat gold plating. You have a lobster type closure right there. This one looks like little mini links. So delicate. I love that one. You know, like a standard herringbone. Beautiful, nice and delicate. I'm gonna wear them in a second so you guys can see what they look like on somebody. And then this is just like your standard rope chain. But I will say this, if I did not know better, just looking at them and feeling the weight of them, if I did not know better, I would think, oh, those are real. I mean, this is not, you guys know that color gold that is not attractive. This is not it. This looks like real gold. This is beautiful. All right, let me go try it on for you guys. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is what it looks like on. So pretty. Y'all, there is no way that I would know that that was not real. I mean, in weight, in the way that it hangs, and in color, so pretty. I'm gonna tell you what, if you're buying this for somebody else, go ahead and throw an extra one in your cart for yourself, because when you see this, you are gonna want it for yourself.